Hi children, welcome to your home school. This is your next session of your NCERT syllabus, Class 9, Exercise 1.3 Mathematics. Your chapter name is Number System, right? So last session we have completed 1.3 exercise first main. So let's start with the second problem. What's your second problem here? You know that 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar. Children, what does this bar indicates? Means these digits are repeating again and again. What type of a decimal it is? It is a non-terminating and recurring or non-terminating repeating decimal. So, can you predict what the decimal expansions of 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7, 6 by 7 are without actually dividing the long division? Okay. So what is the statement here, children? We are giving you 1 by 7 value. You need to find these all, but you should not divide. You should not use any long division. That is the thing given here. If so, how? How can you find them? So, observe here carefully, children. See, in all these, denominator is same. That is 1 by 7 is common, right? So, how do you get 2 by 7? So, think here for 1 by 7. If you multiply 2, when you multiply a single digit number, denominator will be 1. So, now this will be multiplied to numerator. Then it will be 2 by 7, right? Suppose if you multiply 3, what happens? 3 by 7. Similarly, multiply 4, 4 by 7, 5, 5 by 7, 6, 6 by 7. The thing what you need to understand here is, you know one value, that is 1 by 7 value you know. So without doing division, you should find 2 by 7. Then children, please think here, without doing division, how can I find? So in all this, 1 by 7 is common. So substitute this value here and try to multiply 2, you are going to get the value. Right? Shall we start your solution here? So look here carefully. Let's start our solution here. That is given 1 by 7 is equal to 0.142857 bar, where these digits are repeating again and again. So now you need to find 2 by 7, children. So what I told you there, 2 by 7 means 1 by 7 into 2 makes 2 by 7. Right? What is 1 by 7 value here? 0.142857 into 2. This is bar, as it is you need to take. So now children, multiply this. What you are going to get? 2 sevens are 14. Okay. 5 twos are 10. 10 plus 1 will be 11. 8 twos are 16. 16 plus 1 will be 17. 2 twos are 4. 4 plus 1 will be 5. 4 twos are 8. 1 twos are 2. And point as it is, 0 as it is, and bar also you have to take as it is. So you got 2 by 7 value without any long division. What did you do, children, here? You have multiplied. Right? So let's start finding others. 3 by 7. How do you get 3 by 7? For 1 by 7, if you multiply 3, you are going to get 3 by 7 value. What is 1 by 7 here? 0.142857 bar into 3. Okay. So now, let's find the value here. 3 sevens are 21. Let's take the carry carefully here. 3 fives are 15. 15 plus 2 will be 17. Then what about here? 3 eights are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25. 3 2s are 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 will be 4. Again 0 point will be continued and your bar will be followed. So what's your 3 by 7 value, children? 0.428571. So let's continue. 4 by 7. 1 by 7 into 4, you get 4 by 7. What is 1 by 7 value again? 2857 bar into 4. Okay, that will be 4 7s are 28. 4 5s are 20. 20 plus 2 will be 22. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus 2 will be 34. 4 2s are 8. 8 plus 3 will be 11. 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 1 17. 4 1s are 4 plus 1 will be 5. This is your 4 by 7 value. Similarly, let's continue here, children. What is that? 5 by 7. 5 by 7, how do you get 5 by 7 value? For 1 by 7, if you multiply 5, you are going to get 5 by 7. That is equal to, what is 1 by 7, children? 0.142857 bar into 5. Right? Let's multiply here. 5 7s are 35. 3 carry here. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 3 will be 28. 5 8s are 40. 40 plus 2 will be 42. 5 2s are 10. 10 plus 4 will be 14. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 1 will be 21. 5 1s are 5. 5 plus 2 will be 7. That will be 0.714285 bar. So now finally 6 by 7. 1 by 7. How do you get 6 by 7, children? 1 by 7 into 6. That will be 0.142857 into 6. Okay. So now let's start multiplying here. 6 7s are 42. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 4 will be 34. 6 8s are 48. 48 plus 3 will be 51. Okay. So now 6 2s are 12. 12 plus 5 will be 17. 6 4s are 24. 24 plus 1 will be 25. 6 1s are 6. 6 plus 2 will be 8. 0.857142 bar. So look here, children, all will write at a time now. So what is your answers here? 1 by 7 is 0.142857 and 2 by 7, what is your 2 by 7 value here, children? 0.285714 bar. Again 3 by 7, what's your 3 by 7 value? 0.428571. Okay. Then 4 by 7. 4 by 7, what is your 4 by 7 value? 0.571428. Finally, 5 by 7 is equal to 0.714285 bar. And 6 by 7 is equal to 0.857142. So observe here, children, what they asked to find. We found all of them. 2 by 7. So same digits will be repeating here. Observe here carefully. 142857, therefore 1 by 7. Then what about 2 by 7 here, children? From here it started. Observe here carefully. 0.2857. Again 1 4. Okay. So look here, 3 by 7 also. 0.0 0.428571. Okay, same digits are just interchanging. Then coming to your 4 by 7 started with 5. Look here, 0.571428. Correct there? So check next one. 5 by 7. I was just seeing only first digit. 0.7. 0.714285 there. Similarly, 6 by 7. 0.857142. So finally what we can decide here, children, after doing this calculation part, what we get answers, if you compare only the bar where you have those 6 digits are interchanging one by other way, right? So the digits, we are not getting any new digit. The same digits what we have in 1 by 7, those digits are only interchanging. Let's see the next problem. Let's see the third main, children. Express the following in the form P by Q. Where have you heard P by Q? Yes, it is a rational number. It can be expressed in the form of a P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0 and P and Q are any integers. So, what we need to do here? Express the following in the form of P by Q, where P and Q are integers and Q cannot be equal to 0. Which one we need to express here? We need to express 0.6 bar. What does this bar indicates? 6 is repeating infinitely many times. What type of a decimal it is? It is a non-terminating repeating decimal. How can we express this in the form of rational number? So for that we are going to start. How do we start, children? Let us consider this as x. Let x is equal to 0.6 bar. What do you mean by this 0.6 bar? I can write this as 0.666 so on like this, right? So now after how many digits, yeah, decimal there, only one digit is repeating, right? After one digit you have a decimal here. So what I need to do? Let me multiply. Okay, let us multiply 10 on both sides. Let us multiply 10 on both sides. What happens, observe here? 10 into x, it will be 10x. If you multiply any 10 for your decimal, what happens here? This, what I have said here, children, 10 into 0.666 like this, it will be infinite, right? When you multiply any 10 for this decimal will be shifted to here. Observe here carefully. If 1 0 is multiplied, one place the decimal point will be shifted. If 2 zeros are multiplied, 2 places your decimal point will be shifted to here. So try to observe here carefully. Now what I do here? 0, 6, observe here carefully, 0, 6, 0.666 so on. So this 0 towards your left side can be neglected. So what I say? 10x is equal to 6.666 so on. Okay. Now this 6.66 again you have to split. So observe here carefully, children. So what I do now? 10x is equal to 6.66. How can you write this? I will split this as 6 plus 0.666 bar or 0.6 bar also you can write. Okay, so observe here carefully. What did I do? If you add 6 plus 0.6 bar, it will be 6.6 bar, right? So after multiplying 10, your decimal is shifted to here. It makes 6.666 bar, right? Now this again you split. What is this, children? Yes, what is this one here? X is equal to 0.6 bar. So let us substitute this x here. That is 10x is equal to 6 plus x. Yes or no? This value is what? It is nothing but x. Now bring this x this side. 10x plus x, if it comes at this side, minus x. 10x minus x will be 9x is equal to 6. Now this 9 is a multiple, send other side, it will be divided. X is equal to 6 by 9. Cancel 3 2s are 3 3s are. That implies x is equal to 2 by 3, where 3 is not equal to 0. It is in the form of p by q, where q is not equal to 0. Observe here carefully, children. There is no confusion here. Just I repeat for you. You have your first question as 0.6 bar. Let us assume given question as x. What is 0.6 bar? It can be written as 0.666, so on. Right? Multiply 10. Why are multiplying 10? You know, no? After one digit, your decimal point was there. And this digit is repeated infinitely. So if you multiply 10, 10 into x, 10x, and 10 into 0.6 bar will be coming. If you multiply 10 into 0.6 bar, it becomes 6.666 it becomes. So now, this 6.66, what you are going to do? You are going to split this again. 6 plus 0.666 it will be. So by the way, what is this? This is nothing but x. Substitute here x and bring this x this side. 10x minus x will be 9x. 9x equal to 6. X is equal to 6 by 9. That will be 2 by 3. Where 2 by 3 is in the form of p by q. And 3 cannot be equal to 0. What do you mean by 3 here? 3 is q. Q value is not equal to 0. Observe the second question here, children. 0.47 bar. And the bar is not on 4. Observe here carefully. 0.47 bar. It means 0.477777 repeats infinitely but not 4. Okay. So now same manner. Let x is equal to 0.47 bar. Place the bar only on 7. So now what you are going to do, children? After how many digits or how many digits are repeating again and again? One digit is repeated. So what you are going to do? You are going to multiply 10. Multiply 10 on both sides. What you are going to get here? If you multiply 10 into x is equal to 10 into 0.47 bar. So observe here, 10 into x will be 10x. And if you multiply for any decimal 10, your decimal point will be shifted towards one digit towards right side. So here, this point, if you multiply 10, what happened? This point will be shifted here, 4.7 bar. 0, no need of writing, 4.7 bar. Okay. So now split this, children. How can you write this? 4.777 you are going to get. Okay. So observe here carefully. When you need to split this one, you cannot split this one as 4 plus 0.77. If you split, you won't get the answer. Why? In your question, you have 0.47, but if you split 0.77, you cannot get your answer. So for that purpose, what you are going to do here? You should get here 4. 7 minus 4 will be how much? 3, right? So now I split this number as 4.3 plus 0.4777. Why? So 4 plus 3 it becomes 7. So for that reason I have done this. So what is this one? That is nothing but 0.47 bar is what? X. So 4.3 plus X. Right? This X, bring this side, it will be minus X. 10X minus X is equal to 4.3. 10X minus X will be how much? 9X. 9X is equal to 4.3. X is equal to 9 is a multiple. If it goes to this side, divide. So now remove the decimal point. How can you remove? You know, no children? After one digit, so remove this decimal point and place 0 down. That is, this is in the form of P by Q, where Q is not equal to 0. 43 by 90, P and Q are integers and Q cannot be equal to 0. This is only a representation of P by Q. Look here, third sub question here, 0.001 bar. So observe here children, same technique, there is no change. Let X is equal to 0.001 bar. Okay. So now how many digits are repeating here? 3 digits, right? So how much you need to multiply here? 1000. 3 digits, 3 zeros, that makes 1000. So multiply 1000 on both sides. So what happens here? 1000 into x, it will be 1000x. Okay. Now 1000 into 0.001001000 so on, right? So now if you multiply 1000 for this, what happened to your decimal point? It will be shifted to 3 digits afterwards. So this point will be shifted to here. That makes, what happens here children? 1.001 bar. What is this? This is 1000x. Now split children this value. Split this one. How do you split this? That will be 1 plus 0.001 bar. That is as usual. What is this value here? This is nothing but x. So substitute x there. 1000x is equal to 1 plus x. Okay. Now bring this x this side. 1000x minus x is equal to 1. 1000x minus x will be how much? It will be 999x is equal to 1. 999 is a multiple. Send other side. That will be divided 1 by 999, which is in the form of P by Q, where P value is 1, Q value is 999, and Q cannot be equal to 0. Q is not equal to 0, right? So, this is the way we represent given decimal into the P by Q form. So, your last problem for this session, children. Fourth one. Express 0.99999 so on. How can you write this in shortcut here? How do you write this, children? Let us assume x is equal to 0.9 bar. Okay, 9 is repeating, right? One digit is repeating again and again in the form of P by Q. Same process, right? Something is asked. Are you surprised by your answer? We don't know. Just let's solve, get the answer. Then whether we are surprising or not, we are going to see. So now x is equal to, let us assume x is equal to 0.9 bar. Same manner, children, how many digits are repeating? One digit, right? So how much you need to multiply for this? One digit means 1 0. That makes 10. So now multiply 10 on both sides. Multiply 10 on both sides. It makes 10x is equal to 0.9999. What happens? 1 point will be shifted to after 1 digit. That makes 9.9 bar. Right? 1 9 came this side. So now again split this one, children. 10x is equal to 9 plus 0.9 bar. 0.9 bar is what? Again x. So now 10x is equal to 9 plus x. Substitute in place of this x. Bring this x this side. 10x minus x is equal to 9. 10x minus x will be 9x. 9x is equal to 9. This multiple divide. 9 by 9 it will be 1. That makes x is equal to 1. So look here, children, 0.99999 is nearer to 1. But it is actually, if you represent in rational number form, we got our answer 1. Means there is no much more difference between this and 1. Okay. So this is the way we do our problem. Yes, no, children? Same value 0.99999. How many times you repeat? That value is equal to 1. So with this, we are going to end our session today. In our next session, we are going to meet with the next topic. Thank you all.